Grow taller at any age. Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your height? Do you want to know the secrets to growing taller at any age? Before we dive into the tips, let's understand how height growth works. Our height is determined by our genetics, hormones, and lifestyle. Nutrition. First thing first, nutrition plays an important role in height growth. Your bones need some specific nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, protein, zinc, and some other minerals to grow. Eat protein meals. Protein help repair tissues of your body and are crucial for growth. Exercise and physical activity. Engage in activities that promote growth, such as regular stretching exercise can improve your posture and elongate your spine. Do yoga or simple stretching exercises. Regular hanging can help lengthen the spine, potentially increasing height. In sports, exercise swimming is a perfect workout that stretches and strengthens your muscles. Sleep and posture. Now, let's talk about sleep. 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night is crucial for growth, especially in your teen years. In height growth maintains good posture. It might seem difficult, but trust me, good posture help you maximize your height. Outfit. Wear outfits that can help you look taller whether you're short. Choose high-waisted pants that fit well. Pair with fitted tops to elongate the body. Wear heels or wedges to add height. Avoid oversized or loose-fitting tops. Emphasize the waistline with a belted waist. Footwear. Wear shoes in which you are comfortable instead of paying attention to look taller. You can also wear heels. Practice walking in heels to improve balance. Block heels provide stability and height. Cloth. Avoid wearing oversized cloth. They can swallow your frame and make you look smaller. Vertical stripes are your friend. They create a lengthening effect, making you appear taller. Try striped shirts, dresses, or skirts. Wear dark colors like black. To create a seamless, lengthening effect. Avoid contrasting colors that break up your frame. Lifestyle and habits. Now let's talk about very important step. Drink water regularly throughout the day. At least drink 8 glasses of water to stay active. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye.